In fact, Saif Ali Khan stabbing case where the cops have now recovered substantial evidence. So clearly big breakthrough in this particular case. The handle of the knife used in the attack recovered. So that's the big breakthrough. Moreover, the cops have also recovered a blood-stained shirt and the accused 5-day custody ends today. Going back to Shweta, who will help us understand what we're given to know at this point. Shweta, one aspect is very key here that his custody ends today. But at the same point, is this a big breakthrough with that seizure that's been made?
Well, definitely, Nivedna. In fact, as far as Saif Ali Khan's stabbing case is concerned, now Mumbai police has taken a breakthrough in this case where they have recovered the third part of the knife. Remember, when it comes to the substantial evidence, the knife is one of them. The worn shirt with blood stain was another, where Mumbai police has recovered both of the things. Now, remember, when it comes to the knife, it was broken into three parts. One was, of course, locked into Saif Ali Khan's body. The other one was the handle, and the third part was the knife half portion, where the other two parts were already recovered. The third part, that is the handle of the knife, what is the latest that has been retrieved by Mumbai police near Bandra Lake. That is often called Bandra Talav in Mumbai, which leads towards the Bandra railway station. So reportedly, the accused must have discarded the third part near the Bandra Lake, near the garbage site, and he would have walked towards the Bandra railway station. As per the CCTV footage, it's also been seen that how he is walking, making a move from Bandra Lake towards the Bandra railway station is something very important to understand, and hence Mumbai police going through the CCTV footage has retrieved the third part of the knife. Now this is of course playing as an crucial evidence as far as this prosecution case is concerned. Also with this, Nivedna, in fact the custody of the alleged accused ends today. He would be produced in Bandra court today, and Mumbai police would be seeking his further remand. While on the remand, the grounds are very necessary, where we are seeing that the investigating officer as well as the Bandra police, CIU and the crime branch department would be producing these substantial evidences before the court. While they submit it, they also have a ground to state that the further investigation needs more questioning, quizzing of the alleged accused. So clearly we see that it is indeed a breakthrough where Mumbai police has retrieved the substantial evidence through the accused.
All right, Shweta, as you get us those developments concerning this big breakthrough.